Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Arap Ruto, the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, Head of Civil Service, President Mr. Felix Kosgei, CSS President, PSS President, Honorable Members of Parliament, and of course those who have come to join us in this function. Hebu mnisalimie kwa juu hivi. How many of you welcome the President to Nyanza? Asanteni sana. Na wapi watu wa Kisumu? Nionyeshe mikono watu wa Kisumu. Karibuni. Your Excellency the President, I want to say two things. Of course, number one, Jalas, don't worry. I am your lawyer. And when I'm your lawyer, you are safe. We'll go through the process together. Your Excellency, we appreciate your visit to this region. We appreciate you because we know that your choice of Dr. Raymond Omolo as PS Internal Security will bear fruits for your ministry. I'm in a special position because the CS Internal Security, Professor Kindiki, has been my friend of over 10 years. So I know that he's a capable man because I know that I published a book with him some time back on maritime security. He's a good mind. Your Excellency, this afternoon, I just want to say this, that we belong to another party, ODM. And I think as members of the opposition in this hall, the 6 of us who are elected, we occupy a special place because we are a demonstration that your government is doing great things to Kenyans and to this region, and that is why we have chosen to deliberately work with your government. And there's no apology about that. There's no apology about that. And Your Excellency, Article 38 of the Constitution gives us power to draw that conviction and to work with the government because we know that once you are elected, you shall serve this country for the next 5 years. Or is it 10 years? I think for the next 10 years. The leader of majority is here, and he knows that we have continued to deliver in Senate for the people of this republic. And even when there were flare-ups in Sondu, I spoke to Aaron Cheriot, my leader of majority, and I told him that we need to make a concerted effort to make our people live together because the border town of Sondu is the intersection for Homa Bay County, where we are today, Kisumu County, and Kericho County. And we see no cause why people should wrangle over a boundary because any person living a boundary must learn to love their neighbor and to live together. It is a task we have undertaken to continue. We shall convene, Aaron, we shall talk to the elders in Nyakach, in Kericho. We shall bring them together and we shall seek the help of the PS Internal Security so that we gel the communities together and we continue living because we see nothing unusual because these are communities that have lived over the years and continue to intermarry. So, Your Excellency, we have the full confidence in your administration. We have the full confidence that you will guide this country. And we have the full confidence that even those who continue to complain, Your Excellency, believe that you are leading this country in the right direction. Your Excellency, I want to welcome you to Kisumu. We now have the Mamboleo Moroni Road that is on course. We have the Soin Dam where works are about to commence. We thank you that your agenda of development will make the people of this region see that you stand for delivery of results. And that is what we want for this country. And you mean the best for this country. How many of you agree with me? How many of you? So let us work with His Excellency. Let us support your government. It is our commitment that we shall support your government as we continue to lead this region. Thank you, Your Excellency, and God bless you.
Hata mimi nitasema machache kabla sijatoka hapo kwa jukwaa.